Here's some Robert Schuman trivia. Subscribe. What national origin did Schuman have? Is it A, German, B, Belgian, C, Italian, or D, French? The correct answer is French. What major conflict influenced Schumann's vision for Europe? Is it A, Cold War, B, World War II, C, American Revolution, or D, Korean War? The correct answer is B, World War II. Who did Schuman collaborate with on European unity? Is it A, Winston Churchill, B, Jean Monnet, C, Albert Einstein, or D, Margaret Thatcher? The correct answer is B, Jean Monnet. What year did Robert Schuman pass away? Is it A, 1963, B, 1950, C, 1980, or D, 1975? The correct answer is A, 1963. What political stance is Schuman known for advocating? Is it A, anarchism, B, liberal socialism, C, Marxism, or D, Christian democracy? The correct answer is D, Christian democracy. At what event was the Schuman Declaration initially presented? Is it A, foreign affairs meeting, B, press release, C, press conference, or D, public debate? The correct answer is C, press conference. Which European institution did Schuman help establish as a precursor to the EU? Is it A, United Nations, B, European Union, C, European Communities, or D, NATO? The correct answer is C, European Communities. In which year did Schuman first enter the French Parliament? Is it A, 1952, B, 1948, C, 1946, or D, 1965? The correct answer is C, 1946. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.